If you're tracking the next big move in full-frame mirrorless systems, the upcoming Sony model, widely referred to in leaks as the A7 V or in some chatter as the A7 V successor, is causing serious buzz. According to insider whispering, Sony's next-generation hybrid stills plus video full-frame camera may get formally announced in November 2025, with a consumer launch slated for Q1 2026, likely January or February. This timing feels strategic. It gives the brand space after holiday season and trade show noise, clears out existing inventory of the current A7 series, and positions the new model as the go-to for creators wanting both stills and motion in one body. In this video, we'll recap what the leaks are claiming: launch timing, market positioning, sensor design and resolution rumors, processing/AF/hybrid video enhancements, body design and ergonomics, and pricing/market fit considerations. According to insider sources, Sony is reportedly eyeing a first quarter 2026 rollout for the A7 V, with January or February being the strongest candidates. Starting with a November 2025 announcement gives a pre-order window and build-up of excitement. Why this timing makes sense? It avoids the crowded end-of-year launches slot when many brands release new models. By hitting early in the year, Sony stands out. It allows Sony to clear out inventory of the current A7 line and build momentum for the successor. It fits the brand's positioning. The A7 line has long been Sony's versatile full-frame mirrorless all-rounder. Not ultra-flagship sport/velocity, not purely video-centric S-line, and it's time for a meaningful update. Indeed, a recent interview from Sony indicates they don't refresh every model annually. Major generational jumps come perhaps once every few years. Accordingly, the next update should deliver substantial new features, not just incremental tweaks. From what we're seeing, this upcoming body will sit in the premium full-frame mirrorless hybrid category, aimed at serious enthusiast and hybrid creators, photographers plus videographers, who want strong specs, full-frame performance, but without jumping into the ultra-high-end flagship pricing of the R or 9 line. In short, one body to serve both stills and moving image professionals. One of the most heavily discussed aspects of the leaks is the sensor: resolution, architecture, readout speed, rolling shutter performance, and whether Sony will move to a partially stacked design. Here's what the leak network is saying. Many sources argue that the A7 V will carry a almost equals 33 megapixel full-frame sensor, similar resolution to the prior A7 model generation. The continuity makes sense. Previous A7, A7 II, A7 III, A7 IV, etc. followed 24 MP or 33 MP resolutions. On the flip side, some rumors suggest Sony might bump the resolution to, say, 36, 40 MP, or keep the same 33 MP, but adopt a partially stacked sensor architecture to improve readout speed, dynamic range, and reduce rolling shutter in video. The rationale: while the current generation performs well, one common critique has been the readout speed and rolling shutter latency, particularly for heavy hybrid use, video plus stills. A faster sensor architecture would directly address that. Several leaked registration records show a new Sony body code, reportedly in Indonesia, hinting that this new model, possibly the A7 V/A7 V, is already in certification phase. The next-generation image engine will likely be more powerful as well. Rumors point to an evolution of Sony's Bion's XR class processor or equivalent, with smarter algorithms, more advanced AI subject detection, faster autofocus, improved in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and robust hybrid capabilities. So from a sensor standpoint, if Sony retains the 33 MP count but adds a much faster readout and improved processing pipeline, the performance gains could be significant, especially for content creators who film 4K divided by 6K divided by 8K and also shoot stills. The next generation of mirrorless cameras is increasingly less about just megapixels and more about processing, subject detection, autofocus tracking, and hybrid functionality, stills plus video. The rumors for the A7 V point heavily in this direction. AI-powered subject detection. The new engine may support an expanded set of subject